Hello, we are frying fish, tilapia fish without oil using our electric skillet nicknamed the bad boy salad master electric skillet. And before we start, you have to preheat it for about 5 minutes, and after the preheating, that is when it will be ready for frying. The temperature is 385 degree Fahrenheit and preheat for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm putting in 5 minutes to preheat. Oh, and that is it. If you are watching from anywhere now, please can you subscribe to my channel. Now this is the time for me to put the fresh fish, really washed and lightly seasoned. So I now put the tilapia in the preheated pan, which I'm going to fry without oil. We are trying to eliminate oil from our food, especially all those processed oil, and we are trying to stop eating fried things because it helps to increase our cholesterol and even to clog our artery. So I now set the temperature at 185 degree and timing for 12 minutes. The timing is off now. Wow, look at that. But because it is still cooking after the timing is up, I allow it to cool down for about 3 minutes so that I can easily bring it out. Okay, that is it. So I now bring it out with my very sharp stapler, and I'm going to flip it the other way around, and so I'm still going to fry the other side the same 12 minutes, and that will be it. So that is it. Flip. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So easy to do. Look at that. Remember, I didn't use any oil, and tilapia is not an oily fish like mackerel, and so it can only be fried without oil using salad master cookware. So this is the one I am putting it back again to 12 minutes, the same temperature, and we allow it to cook the other side. The timing has gone out, and I'm allowing it to cool down for about 3 minutes so that I will be able to bring it out. So this is it. Wow. If you know any food that you want me to show you how to cook with salad master, just put it in the comment section and I will do that for you. Subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and look at that fresh tilapia fried without oil. Thanks for watching. Bye.